Hey YouTube, what's up? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to talk about a very beautiful aesthetic bodybuilder, Alex Woodson. Alex Woodson is an IFBB pro bodybuilder and fitness model from the United States. Alex had a keen interest in bodybuilding at early age, where he would exercise in front of TV when watching early morning shows. Before the days of internet, Alex would learn to work out from magazines. He would study every page in an effort to find the best way to pack on muscles. It wasn't until Alex earned his first high class gym session where he used weights for the first time. At that exact moment, Alex knew what exactly he wanted from life. Keeping fit and enjoying a life of strength and health turned out to be his passion and career. He weighs around 83 to 88 kgs. His height is 5.4, arms 20, chest 49, waist 28, nationality American. By profession, he is fitness model and a bodybuilder. His era started 2000 and 2010. As a youngster, Alex would saw his idols on TV and said, "I want to look like that." He first started working out with morning TV shows when he was too young to enter the gym. By the time he turned into a teenager, his passion for health and had only grown stronger. He got his hands on his first set of weights in a high school gym class. This is where Alex wanted to learn more. From that moment, he was hooked and never looked back. After buying a few magazines for tips and tricks, he was well on his way to becoming the pro figure competitor we know him today. Alex, talking about learning from magazines before the invention of the internet, he says that from the moment I was hooked and started to get every new issue of Muscle magazine back then 1988 to learn the exercise from bodybuilders in the magazines. Remember, this was at a time when there was no internet yet, so we only had the magazines to learn from. Next, Alex was okay. His competitive history is as Alex has competed since 2014, and from that moment, he has made a name for himself as one of the best figure models on the planet. His first competition was the men physique, where he placed as the overall champion in 2014 NPC Minnesota Gopher State Classic. Next was Alex's first place master class was his second competition, where he earned his IFFB Pro card in year 2014 NPC North American Nationals in Pittsburgh. Alex's third competition won him the third at the Place Masters and 16th place Open in 2015 Tampa Pro. Needless to say, he continued to compete through 2015 and 2016 and show a real talent for proving he's one of the best. He is placed in the top 5 in the majority of his shows and continues to prepare for upcoming events into the near future. There is no sign of slowing him down. He trains on Monday legs, Tuesday chest, light shoulders and tricep, on Wednesday back and light biceps, Thursday shoulders, Friday legs, Saturday light chest and arms, and on Sunday his is rest day. So that's for all we got about him on